Although Europe has published a bulk of macroeconomic data and the market remains stagnant, what are traders waiting for? Stagnation and the wait-and-see approach of investors could be partly explained by the data that was well below the forecast. Thus, in the United Kingdom, a decline in industrial production should have slackened to 1.6% from 2%. In effect, it slowed down to just 1.9%. In the Eurozone, economists had predicted a 1.1% rise after a drop of 1.4%, but the indicator increased, though by just 0.2%. However, today's FOMC meeting is the key reason for the market stagnation. Notably, the decision on the benchmark rate is of a secondary importance. Traders have already prepared for the fact that the Federal Reserve will not raise the key rate anymore. Nevertheless, investors suppose that Jerome Powell may alter his rhetoric after yesterday's inflation figures. It's highly possible that the regulator will announce a gradual cut of interest rates in the near future. Curiously, the process could be launched as early as this summer. If a sharp slowdown affects the Fed stance, the US dollar will start falling faster than in the previous 2 days. What's more, the slackening will be long-lasting and steady. On the trading chart, we see that the euro-dollar pair jumped and even exceeded 1.0800 for some time. A breakout of this level reflects buyers' firm intention to prolong the rise despite a decline after the breakout. If the price consolidates above 1.0800, the pair may continue gaining value. As a result, the euro may recover after a slump recorded in May. Notably, the speculative activity may surge ahead of the publication on the two-day meeting results. Meanwhile, the pound sterling recovered against the US dollar after the decrease seen at the beginning of the week. The currency has also reached a new local high of the midterm uptrend, and the quote exceeded 1.2600, which points to the full recovery after the correctional movement observed in May. If the current trend continues, the pound-dollar pair may hit a fresh high of the midterm uptrend. However, such a rapid growth in the British pound may signal of about conditions, which may lead to a short-term drop. And that's all for now. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you in several hours. We will take a close look at the US trading session.